So we're going to do that same exercise with you guys in Copy Chief this month. That is going to be the writing, why can't I get the name of this thing right? The mini workshop, the monthly mini workshop. There we go. MMW, monthly mini workshop. Something about that word does not want to sit in my brain. Monthly mini workshop. And so watch for it in copywriting challenges and workshops. And the prompt, there'll be a 3-word prompt, the same one we used with the supers. And you'll write free for 10 minutes, free write for 10 minutes in private. And then here's what you're going to do. You're going to take that as sort of a first draft, and then you're going to use that to inspire an email. Okay, not a sales email, but a nurture email. Do you know the difference? A nurture email? A nurture email is where you're just sharing something valuable. You're teaching lessons, often with story, and there's no big call to action at the end of it. It's not there to sell a product. It's not even really there to get a click. It's just there to further develop your relationship with your subscriber, your reader. Okay, so if you happen to see, I just sent out 2 emails last week on Sunday and Thursday, telling what I call the Chet story about one of my greatest hell gigs as a comic, when I was invited to play a tennis club. And I wrote in great detail about how that all went down. And it was a really interesting exercise for me, and got a great response from people who read it. And so that is nurture email. I wasn't there to sell you anything. I wasn't there to try to convince you to join Copy Chief or do anything else. Just hopefully find some value in what I was writing, share of myself, so that we could have a deeper relationship. So that's what a nurture email is. So you're going to take this 3-word prompt that you'll get when you see the exercise go live. I don't want to give everybody an unfair head start. 3-word prompt. You're going to free write privately for 10 minutes, set a timer. Take what you got, use that as inspiration for a nurture email, because obviously you won't be able to begin and end an email in 10. You might, if you think of it that way, you might actually just rip it off in 10 minutes and go, that was awesome, I'm just posting that. You could do that. But chances are you'll take that as the foundation and use your favorite parts of it to influence the nurture email you write. Cool? So that's what the monthly workshop. And did Mike or James, Mike or Laura answer? Is that happening? Does that start? Oh, April Dykeman. Thank you. April Dykeman is, of course, in the super group. Mike, you'll get story prompt. Mike gave away the story prompt. Okay, that was not good. And do it. Okay, Mike. When does it start? Maybe we're going to have to change the prompt now. 21st and ends on the 26th. All right.